Well, this is the Amazon EC2 console. Let's see briefly what we can do in it. At the top, we find the Resources section. This shows a quick summary of the active resources, such as running instances, volumes, elastic IP, etc. The Launch Instance section is where you start creating your EC2 instance, or if you want to start a server migration to AWS. We have the Instance Alarms section that tells us the alarms configured to monitor the status and health of the EC2 instances. Scheduled Events shows those events that can affect instances. We have Service Health, which provides information about the health of the AWS service in different regions and zones. Below we have the zones that are available within the selected region to deploy your resources. On the top right side, we have the EC2 Free Tier section or information block, which serves to inform us of the current usage under the EC2 free offering. Basically, what it does is to count all the resources you are using in all AWS regions. It is very important to keep this record of your usage to avoid billing surprises. Further down, it shows specific attributes related to the user's AWS account, such as default VPC ID, etc. We can from right here change some general Amazon EC2 things, such as data protection and security, configure access to an EC2 instance via serial port, which can be useful for troubleshooting startup, network configuration, and other issues, among other options. On the left side, we have many of the options related to Amazon EC2. In this panel, we can go into see instance types, templates, ANIS, volumes and snapshots, security groups, load balancers, auto-scaling, etc. And as we progress through the course, we will use many if not almost all of these options here. And finally, we have these two top buttons here. For example, this one on the Deer is to choose only the resources that we want to see in our Amazon EC2 dashboard. And the EC2 Global View button. It's a feature that allows you to view and search your EC2 and VPC resources across all AWS regions from a single console. It's very useful to have an overview of your resources in different regions. So, in a general way, this is the Amazon EC2 dashboard.